Welcome to our video presentation on the UiTM college registration system SKOre. As students embark on their university journey, finding the right accommodations is crucial for a successful experience. In this presentation, we will walk you through the registration process, highlights of horizon scanning, and share challenges and mitigations to improve the system at its finest. Let's dive in.
For overview of digital transformation, it is the process of integrating digital technologies into all areas of business and organization to fundamentally change how it operates and deliver value to customers. It involves adopting new tools, platform practices to improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and drive innovation. The objective of this assignment is to identify and observe the system or work process used in UiTM. It is also to evaluate the system or the work process by using the hinge approach, which include horizon scanning, internal audit, new model generation, and the gap analysis. The selected system or the work process that we choose is the SKOre system, that known as Smart College Registration System, which is an online platform developed by UiTM itself to facilitate and streamline the hostel and room registration process for students. It aims to automate the traditionally manual registration process and making it more efficient, transparent, and user-friendly. How the system and work process are relevant to UiTM operation is by automate hotel registration, which it reduces manual paperwork by allowing students to register for rooms online. Not only that, it shows the real-time room availability, which provides students with a real-time update on which room available and which room is not. Next is the data management, where it stores student registration data securely in a centralized system and allows staff to easily track and retrieve registration details. How the system or work process align with UiTM goals is by supporting digital transformation, which contribute to UiTM Smart Campus initiative. It also enhances student-centric services, which provide students with a convenient and better platform for room registration. It also improves efficiency and innovation that makes operation and processes faster yet more accurate.
Let us start with the external trends impacting SKOre. Globally, there is a shift toward mobile and cloud-based platforms. AI is increasingly used in administrative tasks, and students expect seamless digital experiences. In education, universities are adopting e-governance systems to improve efficiencies and ensure data security. These trends show why UiTM needs to innovate to stay competitive. Next, let us discuss what is currently happening in UiTM's registration process. Manual processes have long been a challenge, often leading to inefficiencies, delays, and errors during peak registration periods. These challenges not only create frustration for students, but also put a strain on the administrative staff. SKOre addresses these issues by streamlining the registration process. It provides real-time status updates to students and staff, reduces paperwork, and eliminates many of bottlenecks associated with traditional workflows. Looking to the future, we see several opportunities for technological innovation within SKOre. Cloud-based capability will be crucial for managing UiTM's growing student populations. AI-driven support can be integrated to offer personalized services to students, while a mobile-first design will ensure accessibility for users on any device. Additionally, integrating SKOre with other UiTM systems will provide a more seamless experience, making it easier for students and staff to navigate the platform. These advancements align with global trends and ensure that UiTM stays ahead in the digital transformations journey. Now, let us talk about why SKOre was selected for this analysis. The college registration process is central to student enrollment and room arrangement. Any inefficiencies in this process directly impact student satisfaction and UiTM's overall reputation. Digitally transforming this workflow with SKOre addresses these pain points and aligns with UiTM's broader visions for modernization. Focusing on SKOre allows UiTM to create a system that benefits both students and staff while positioning itself as a leader in digital transformation. Finally, let us consider the rationales behind transforming this work process. SKOre improves efficiency by speeding up registration times and reducing errors. It enhances accessibility, allowing students to register anytime, anywhere. The system's scalability ensures it can handle more students without increasing administrative burden. Additionally, SKOre provides valuable data insights for better decision-making and resource allocation. These factors make transforming the registration process a strategic priority for UiTM.
Hi, I'm Faliona. Now I'm going to talk about internal audit for UiTM college registration using UiTM SKOre system. An internal audit focuses on assessing the internal environment to understand the current system, processes, resources in place in the context of UiTM SKOre system for college registration. An internal audit identifies areas for improvement, evaluated operational efficiency, and assign responsibility. For new intake students, hostel registration is fully automated, reducing manual intervention and ensuring that all the new students are allocated rooms without additional effort. For returning students, they use student portal to initiate their hostel registration. After registration is confirmed, they log into SKOre to select their preferred room. The two systems work in tandem to streamline the process of hostel allocation. For skill set available, IT teams maintains the functionality and integration of the student portal and SKOre system, ensuring that systems are secure and updated. For administrative staff, monitors the registration process and provides support for both systems, handles queries and resolve issues related to hostel allocation. For students, expected to be familiar with accessing the portal and following the steps for hostel registration and room selection. Support is available for those needing assistance. So, what is working in the system? Efficiency. The automated process for new intake students reduces administrative workload. Returning students have the flexibility to choose their room, which increases satisfaction. For convenience, dual systems ensure that registration and room selection are completed in separate, focused stage, reducing system overload. For transparency, returning students can actively choose their preferred room, making the process fair and clear. Area for improvement. System integration. The reliance on two separate systems, student portal and system SKOre, may create confusion for a student. Integrating both functions into a single platform could simplify the process. System downtime and overload. High traffic during hostel registration periods may lead to system slowdown and crash. Enhanced server capabilities registration schedule could reduce this issue. For mobile compatibility, many students may prefer accessing this service on their smartphone. Improving mobile responsiveness or developing a dedicated mobile app could enhance usability. Feedback mechanism. Adding a feedback option after the registration process can help identify and address user pain points effectively. Who is responsible? IT department, responsible for system maintenance, troubleshooting and integration. Hostel administration office, manage room availability, monitor the registration process, and oversee the allocation. For support staff, assist students with registration issue and provide technical guidance. Number of persons involved. For IT team, 5 to 10 individuals handling technical aspects for both systems. Hostel administration staff, 10 to 20 staff members managing the overall process. And support staff, a small team, include 5 to 15 people, especially during peak registration period.
New model generation. I would like to propose the development of a mobile application to make the SKOre system more accessible. Firstly, the benefits of apps is user-friendly interface. The app will feature a simplified design to ensure easy navigation by reducing the learning curve. Students can quickly and effectively manage their registration tasks without confusion. Secondly, push notification. Real-time updates will keep students informed about critical deadlines, registration status, and other important announcements. This ensures prompt action and minimize the risk of misinformation. By incorporating these features into a mobile app, the SKOre system becomes more convenient and user-centric, ultimately improving the overall registration experience for students. Proposed digital enhancements. Secondly, automated communication system. Automated communication on system for enhancing communication and efficiency between students and administration. Integration of SMS and email. These features ensure students receive timely notification about registration updates, policy changes, and upcoming deadlines. By automating these messages, the system ensures students are always informed, reducing miscommunication and delays. Secondly, chatbot assistant. To further improve support, we propose implementing an AI-powered chatbot. This feature provides instant responses to frequently asked questions, offering 24 hours assistance and reducing the workload on administrative staff. Together, this enhancement will streamline communication, reduce response time, and improve user satisfaction within the SKOre system. New model generation. Integration of technology for improved outcomes. Our approach integrates two components, which are cloud-based infrastructure and artificial intelligence AI with machine learning ML. Firstly, cloud-based infrastructure. Let's begin with cloud-based infrastructure, a critical pillar for scalability and reliability. The purpose is to ensure the SKOre system remains scalable and reliable. This is especially important for supporting a growing user base without compromising performance. Highly available, this infrastructure minimizes downtime, particularly during peak registration periods. With high availability, users can access the system seamlessly even under heavy demand. Secondly, data security. To further enhance this model, robust security measures are implemented to protect sensitive information. This ensures user trust and system integrity. Secondly, artificial intelligence AI and machine learning ML. The second pillar is AI and ML, which automate, process, and enhance personalization. The purpose is the integration of AI and ML aims to automate repetitive processes and offer personalized user experience. Process automation by streamlining administrative tasks. This technology significantly reduces the manual workload for employees, enabling them to focus on more critical areas. Personalized recommendation. AI also analyzes individual preference and story to suggest suitable accommodation or option. This makes the system more intuitive and user-friendly. Specific recommendations for SKOre system. Let's looking at the specific recommendation for the SKOre system. There are three key areas for improvement. Firstly, user training and support. The implementation includes comprehensive tutorials such as guidance and videos to assist users in navigating the new features. Additionally, we suggest integrating a helpdesk system that provides real-time support through chat or call center. This ensures users are well equipped to utilize the system effectively. Secondly, feedback mechanism. Surveys and feedback forms will play a pivotal role in collecting user input, identifying improvement areas, and iterating on the system regularly to enhance user satisfaction. Thirdly, compliance and data privacy. To build trust and maintain integrity, we recommend strict adherence to regulation concerning data protection and periodic security audits. These measures ensure the system complies with policies and remains secure for users. This recommendation aligns with improving both user experience and operational efficiency in SKOre.
Now we will move to gap analysis. This analysis evaluates the current DOM registration process, identifies gaps between the current and desired process, and provides recommendations for improvement. The objective is to make the college registration process more efficient, effective, and user-friendly, as well as focusing on the entire registration process, including steps such as the submission of applications, room assignments, and communication with students. Now, in the current process, college registration is fully automated for new students, while returning students need to apply from iStudent portal and SKOre system for booking their desired rooms. While in the future implementation or desired process, mobile app development for faster submission, automated communication system for clear and timely communication, which is notification at each step of the process is needed. Let's move on. There are several challenges and inefficiency to be addressed, such as applications take a long time to process, lack of transparency or delays in communication with students, errors caused by manual or outdated system are all in the current process. While in the desired process, we have several benefits, which is streamline the application processing process, increase student satisfaction based on the surveys or feedback, and the last one is the majority of students were able to complete their registration without any problems. Listed below are a few key risks and weaknesses that need to be addressed. The inefficiency and delay in the process is the first one, which is DOM assignments and registration confirmations may be delayed by the outdated systems due to slow processing times. Staff and students can become frustrated as a result. Inefficiency are caused by manual data entry, slow system response times, and a limited amount of automation in the system. In order to reduce delays and improve efficiency, it is recommended that an automated online registration system be implemented with faster data processing and automated workflows. The second one is the limited scalability of the system. In the event of a peak registration period, an outdated system may be unable to handle the increased demand, resulting in system crashes or performance degradation. A weakness of system is its inability to accommodate growing student population or spikes in registration traffic due to its lack of scalability. In order to ensure that the system can handle large numbers of students efficiently during peak periods, it should be modernized to be cloud-based or upgraded to a larger platform. As a result of digital transformation, college registration systems have become significantly more efficient. Manual paperwork, which is time-consuming and susceptible to error, is often involved in a traditional registration processes. Digital transformation in DOM registration systems streamlines the entire process, reducing the time and effort required for both student and administrative staff. Traditional paper-based systems often involve manual data entry, physical paperwork, and lengthy approval processes. By transitioning to a digital platform, institutions can automate many of these tasks. In spite of the initial cost of investing in technology, digital transformation results in substantial saving over time. Streamlining processes reduces the number of hours required to perform administrative tasks and improve accuracy, reduces cost-related errors related to housing assignment or billing. It is important to realize that the long-term impact of digital transformation goes beyond immediate improvements in operations. The adaptation of digital college registration system positions institutions for future growth and adaptability in increasingly technologically and driven improvement. In spite of the initial cost of investing in technology, digital transformation results in substantial savings over time. Streamlining processes reduces the number of hours required to perform administrative tasks and improve accuracy, reduces cost-related errors related to housing assignments or billing. It is important to realize that the long-term impact of digital transformation goes beyond immediate improvements in operations. The adaptation of a digital college registration system positions institutions for future growth and adaptability in increasingly technologically driven environment.
There are three challenges for this system of SKOre, which is the system accessibility, technical and security issues, and scalability and maintenance. The first one of system accessibility, including high traffic, which the system overload during peak registration periods. The second one would be the device compatibility, where users facing issues on certain devices or browsers. The third one will be the limited internet access, where students in remote area with poor internet connectivity may struggle with access the system. For the technical and security issues, they are also including cybersecurity threats, which means there are risks of unauthorized access to sensitive student data, and also the data integrity, which means the possibility of data corruption or loss during updates or storage. The third one is scalability and maintenance, which include growing demand, where it increases the numbers of students that may outpace the system capacity, including system downtime, whereby it maintenance or unforeseen outage disrupting registration. In order to overcome these challenges, there are also three mitigations available, which include improved accessibility, robust security measures, and scalability and maintenance as well. For improved accessibility, these include load balancing, whereby use cloud-based infrastructure to distribute traffic and prevent overload. And the second one would be responsive design, where it ensures the system works seamlessly across devices and browsers. And the third one is the offline options, where it provides offline or low bandwidth alternatives such as SMS or light web versions. The second one would be the robust security measures, which include secure authentication. In other words, it requires student IDs and multi-factor authentication for login. The second one would be encryption, which sensitive data during transmission and storage, and also the regular security audits, which mean it periodically tests and updates security measures. And the third one would be scalability and maintenance, which including capacity planning, whereby it continuously monitors user trends and scale resources as needed, following by scheduled downtime, where it announces maintenance periods well in balance to minimize disruptions, and last but not least, feedback integration, whereby it regularly gathers user feedbacks to identify. In a conclusion, a college registration system, SKOre, can focus on the importance of prioritizing the user experience, performance, and communication. Last but not least, a user-centric approach can help streamline the registration process and improve student satisfaction and academic success. This is all from us, and thank you very much for watching.